What's up, YouTube? What's up? Back again with another video. This is your boy Mush. About to show y'all how to set up the Wavelength 3.0. All right, y'all. It's in beta right now. And Elgato, if y'all seen this, please, come out with a plugin for this because I'm getting tired. There's other ways to do it, y'all. I control my screen that, but please come out with a plugin for this. All right, we're going to get right to it, y'all. So this is how we're gonna do this. I have mine set up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I got mine set up. Come on, hit the button. That's how it's mine set up. I got it all set up already. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to delete all this. All right, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete all this right here and remove it. As y'all see, I'm gonna keep my mic. I'm gonna keep my mic, but I'm gonna remove everything else because I'm gonna set this up real nice for y'all. All right, now the first thing you're gonna come into when you first download this, as you see, you'll come right here. If you have the Wave, um, SR XLR, and like what I have, or just a microphone, the Wave 3, or in a microphone period, first thing gonna come up is this, and this is what you're gonna see. So the first thing you can do, you can mess around with your settings over here, how you want to do it. You can go to your effects, get your mic all set up before you all get into it. Right now, I already erased all this, so I need to do it over. But y'all clipping and everything, y'all Elgato effect, background noise. Y'all gonna hear background noise because it's all fresh and everything. Um, Also come over to your settings if you want to change the color around so I can mute it. I can just hit the back of it and mute it, have it all set up. Do the tour if you would like to do it. But we ain't gonna do none of that. If you get all this set up and everything, if you get everything set up, what you can do is go out here and sound check yourself, record yourself and everything, and see how that plays out for you. So next thing you want to do is this. Now, this will work with a lot of different mics. This also will work with a lot of headsets and stuff like that. So first thing you do is this is not gonna be here. That's not gonna be here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna So y'all didn't hear me right there because I removed the chat mix. Cool. And then y'all can. So how I set mines up, some people like to hear themselves. This is I can hear myself talking back and forth. I don't like that. I can hear myself in my headset or in my earplugs because I got my earplugs right here plug up to the Wave SLR interface. So I can hear myself a little bit. I only want to hear myself just a little bit. Just a little bit, but I don't want to hear none of that. All right. The next thing you have to do, you gotta come over here. You click on that right there, and then you find your microphone, different outputs and everything. Your microphone will pop up right here. If it's wireless, non-wireless, whatever it's gonna be, not your not your microphone. I'm sorry, your headset. You gotta find your headset. Like I said, I got my earplugs plugged up to the interface of the Elgato Wave. Whatever headset you want to use or you may be using, you'll find it right here. If you find it right here, you click it right here. You click on this side. All right, and you're good to go with that. You don't want to click it on this side at all because you really gonna hear yourself then. Next thing you want to do is this. Now, I have a 2 PC setup, so the people with 1 PC setup, it's gonna be a little different. Now, I'm about to go back to a 3 PC setup, so this setup gonna be a lot different, and I'm gonna show y'all that when I hook up my 3 PC setup. Video coming soon. Why I got 3 PC set up. It's just how I am. Love it. I just love it. But I got 2 PC set up, and right now I'm not using the new program that Galo got. I'm about to use it. Cost $50. I'm going to get it probably Monday or Tuesday because I want to get it set up for my stream and everything. So the next thing I want to do is this. Make a chat. And the next thing is this is my OBS. So I got my OBS running as you recording and everything, and bang, hit that, and I can hear stuff on my mic. So I mean on my OBS, like I'm screaming. Y'all gonna be a little different. Y'all don't have to hook up your OBS, but if y'all want to, y'all can. I'm gonna find something to play in the background real fast. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's too loud. That's too loud. So let me switch up. See, y'all hear that right there? That was a commercial. Y'all can hear that. Now this side right here is what your that's go out. If you record, oh, I'm sorry, if you record or live streaming on this side where it say chat mix, that's what go out. You know what I'm saying? And this side, monitor, this side is what you hear. What you hear. So, like I said, I got a dual PC set up and I want to put mines down to I keep mines like around 50% of what I hear in my headset. And for my stream and recording and everything, I put that down like around 65 to 70. So I'm gonna put it to 70. Now I'm gonna put it down to 65. That's why I can't wait for a plugin so I can just move that like that. You know what I'm saying? Cause I do it with my keyboard. I can't, you see it going crazy, right? So I'm gonna put that down to uh, there we go, 65. That's what everybody else here. And the next thing I want to do, that's my OBS. Next thing I want to do is my Discord. This is my Discord right here. And same thing with my Discord. Now y'all hear this and I hear this. If I'm not recording or nothing, you know what I'm saying? If I'm recording and I'm doing like a walkthrough or something like that, I don't want nobody to hear my chat. That's why I put I just mute it. But I want to hear everything. You also can add this to it, and that can be your sound, your party chat, whatever. You can just keep on adding and adding and adding for different mix and everything. Right now, I'm not gonna get too much in this because this is what I'm gonna use when I hook back up my 3PC setup. So right now, we just gonna delete that. We're gonna keep this basics and much fast as I can. So when they first came out, you can add different channels, like up to 5, but I believe you can add more now. So my next thing I want to add is I got that. Next thing I want to add is my browse source. Okay, I got my browse up. I'm gonna go to one of my videos, so I'm on my screen, and I'm gonna go to one of my videos, so I won't get no copyright. As you can see right there, and I'm gonna hit that button. So this is my browse. All right, see how this. Now it's popping up because I got it running. So I hit that. I open that up, and this is what y'all hear and everything, as you see. Target disabled. Talking, everything. So how I do my browse, I normally mute that, right? Because, I be wanting to just hear myself. And I bring that down like around 50. Or sometimes I keep up to 100. And also I use voice chat for my stream sometimes, so I also do that too. So this is just the basic stuff right now. And then if you want to add more stuff, you can do that. Other thing I want to add for right now is my 4K capture unit. I want to add that. And if I got another browser open with the same thing, I can also do that too. And that's what I'm going to do while I got this hookup right now. So I'm going to open my Edge right there while that one open. It's real simple. It's basic common sense, but I'm not saying people don't got common sense. Some people do stuff different. So let me pull up my Twitch on my other browse. As for my bot, this is my bot right here, and use this bot chat. That's what I use. I'll make sure y'all come and follow me if you want. So that's coming up. And what I'll do is I'm going to add to it, right? I'm gonna add an app. And that's gonna be Edge. So there you go. And then I have this right there. Same thing. So both of my browse is right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna change it to like just browsing or something, but yeah, that's right there, and that's what that's gonna be. And the last I'm gonna do is Oh, let me bring up this one right here. So my 4K capture unit, where's that? Where's that? Right there, 4K capture unit. I'm put that right there. I'm gonna call this game, cause that's what I use it for. That's game. All right, and then I'm gonna close window. That's game right there. The last thing I do want to do is just show y'all too is I'm gonna bring up my I can't get out. I'm sorry. My DaVinci Dwarf, the DaVinci program. I'm gonna use that because I'm gonna make another window right here. And like I said, you keep making windows after windows. You got these up here. I could just hit that right there, but I'm not. So I see my DaVinci pop up, and then I'm going to add that as soon as pop up right there. Add that, and I only need this because I'm the only one gonna be listening to this. I'm not gonna be sharing this with my screen. This is when I put videos on there and everything, and this is it right here. So that's dope. Um, I can close this out now. Last one I do want to put up is my oh, just in case y'all might see something in there. You know what I'm saying? I'm something like a porn star these days, but nah, I'm gonna when I check videos out and scan through them before I add it and everything. Let me get it right now. Is going 4K, and I'm just going to pop this video up so y'all don't hear it, but I'm going to add it right here. Is my Windows Media right here. Y'all see that? My Windows Media. And if I see pick that, y'all can hear it. As y'all can see, y'all can hear it. Yep. So, but I'm gonna have that mute. Cause no reason for y'all hear that. It's just for my ears only. So basically, anything you want to add and everything, you always can just add the window, add a new window. So I'm gonna show you right fast. So if I'm gonna add something new, I can add that, and then I can add that, and I can keep going. I can just keep going. But I don't have no reason to add those right now. My part two of my other video is gonna be a little different. Let me erase these right fast. This is dope. When I first downloaded this, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I couldn't understand it. I couldn't understand it at first, but then I did. I had to delete the old wavelength because it was crashing. So before you even download this, make sure you delete the old wavelength program that you have on. It's still usable. You still can use it and everything, but make sure you delete it if you want to start using this. This will be out 100%. I think they was said November, the first or second week of November. I don't know, but you can get the beta right now. All you gotta do is just type it in Wavelink Wavelink 3.0 beta, and you can download it. So far, I've been using it for a good week now, and I have to say it's amazing. I'm loving it. Only problem I have with it right now, it don't have a plugin so I can use my screen desk. That's the only issue that I'm having right now, and that's about it. Um, I do have to go over here and add some effects to it, so I'm gonna do that now while I got y'all right here. So only effects I'm gonna add is my voice remover. Got that one. And I'm going to add, yeah, my reverb. Okay, got that. Which one? Yep, got that. And you can add other people's stuff too. You know what I'm saying? You definitely can do that. And it was something else that I was adding, but I don't have it in here. So what I have to do is download. But this is my settings. This is what I like, and this is how I like to use it. Y'all have any questions? Oh, one more thing. You also go to the marketplace and get some reverbs and some audio effects and so on and so on. But this is why I enjoy. This is why I like. This is my setup. Your setup gonna be totally different from how I set mine up. The next video I'm going to do is probably be a part 2 of this, or it's going to be a video showing y'all about the new show y'all right now. Is it Wave? No, it's not Wave. Is it Wave? Yeah, it's Wave. Wavecast. I did use this. Was in the beta. They let us use it. Well, some people. They let some people use it while it was in beta before it came out. Only problem I got with this, we have to pay for it. $49.99. It was half price or a different price, but I'm definitely going to use it. Only issue I'm going to have, once you buy it, you buy it. But only issue I have is say, send audio between 2 PCs. I need to send audio between 3 PCs, but I'm going to figure out. I'm going to figure a way. But on that note, man, y'all hit that like, hit that share button. Y'all have any questions, just drop a line down below. Come to my live screen. Hit me up on Twitter. However y'all want to do that. But anyway, man, God bless. Good night. And as I always say, keep it gaming, baby. On to the next one.